Oxford Bookworms Starters. Girl on a Motorcycle by John Escott. Read by Rick Adamson. Chapter 1. Is there a motel? Kenny is going across America by bus. One evening, in summer, his bus arrives in a little town in California. "I want to stop here tonight," says Kenny to the bus driver. "Is there a motel, do you know?" "Yes," says the bus driver. "There's a nice motel across the river. It's not expensive." "Is there a bus to San Francisco tomorrow?" asks Kenny. "Yes," says the bus driver. "There's a bus every day." Kenny gets off the bus with his bag. Chapter 2. Give Me the Money. In a street in Los Angeles, somebody is robbing a security guard outside a supermarket. The robber is sitting on a motorcycle and has a gun. "Give me the money," the robber tells the security guard. Okay, says the security guard, and gives the robber the money. Then the robber rides away, but a camera is taking pictures. After the robbery, the supermarket manager phones the police. "Yes," he says. "A robbery." "Yes, long blonde hair and with a motorcycle." "A man or woman?" "We don't know." "Yes, we have some pictures." "Okay, quickly." Chapter 3. Room 23. In the little town, 50 kilometers away from Los Angeles, Kenny goes into the motel and asks for a room. "Room 23, says the man at the desk. He gives Kenny a key. "Thank you," says Kenny, and he goes up to his room. An hour later, Kenny comes down to eat. "I'm hungry," he thinks. He sees a girl arrive on a motorcycle. She walks to the front desk, and the woman gives her a key. "Room 17, says the woman at the desk. "I think I know her face," thinks Kenny. "Is she somebody famous?"